Hello and welcome to the Kenneth for Camel Law Office Legal Podcast. We look at different types of legal proceedings in New Jersey. In this edition, we look at what's called the guardianship of an adult, and it used to be called guardianship of a person that was mentally defective, and then they changed it to guardianship for an incompetent, and now it's called guardianship of a incapacitated person. So, what has to happen is there has to be a formal complaint for guardianship together with a case information statement. There needs to be affidavits from two different doctors that they've examined the person and they're not able to handle their own affairs. The person who's the proposed guardian has to list who all the different relatives are, children, spouse, in it. They have to present a list of the person's assets, and their attorney will prepare what's called an order for hearing and an order for guardianship, you know, and judgment for guardianship. So once these are filed with the court will appoint a temporary guardian, attorney, in fact, for that person who has to interview the family members and interview the alleged incapacitated person and render a formal written report to the court. There will be a hearing. That attorney's present, the attorney for the guardian and the guardian are present and need to convince the judge that, number one, the person is not able to handle their affairs, but that this is the right person to be the guardian, because other relatives can object and ask that they be. If the person is appointed, then they have to file a report each year with the court setting forth where the assets are. For other information on guardianship, visit website njlaws.com, and for representation, contact the law office of Kenneth Verkaman in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.